Ito yung facilities, amenities namin. Female restroom and male restroom na may bawat CR may sauna. Tapos may mga open areas where the kids can play, run. Ito yung pantry for whatever function you may have. So, available for rent. Tapos dito may children's playground. Yan, ganyan kalaki ang function. Ito yung children's playground. Yan. And dito sa kabila may open area na naman. Yan. Nakalak. It's accessible from the other side. Shoebox. May female locker room rin pala dito. Ito yung isa pang open area na nakalak sa kabila. Yan lang. Maaraw lang ngayon. Tapos yung swimming pool. Ito yung rules ng swimming pool. Ito yung swimming pool. Lililinis pa ngayon. Yan. Makikita mo. Yan. Sarado siya tuwing Monday kasi maintenance. Tapos ito yung kiddie pool. Katabi ng adult pool. Yan yung adult pool. Ito yung kiddie pool. Tapos may another open area dito. Makikita mo. Sa taas. Yan. Yan. Nakalak ba yan papuntang gym? Open? Okay, so ito yung papuntang gym. Nakalak? Oh, sabi nyo hindi nakalak. Anyway, yun yung gym. Ito open area na naman to. Ito ngayon ang gym namin. Yan. Mga equipment, weights. Yan. Hindi ko alam, pang shoulder yata yan. Or foot, para sa paa, legs. Treadmill. Ito. Treadmill rin yata. And then we have this bike para sa legs. Legs ba to o arm? And then we have this para sa lats yata yan. Yan. Barbell bench. And then we have this for also for lateral yata. For lateral pull. This one for, I don't know, legs for sit up. Dumbbell, barbell. Yun, that's our gym.